Good afternoon, traders. This is Taylor from thetradinganalyst.com, and we're going to take a look at a bunch of charts here. But first, if you're not already a member, go ahead and visit the homepage, www.thetradinganalyst.com, and start your 100% free 7-day trial today. There's absolutely no payment information required. All you need to do is enter in your name and your email address, and you're going to get instant access to all of the member-only features. For example, the live broadcast where you get to share my screen and watch me analyze charts in real time. We also produce nightly member videos and watch lists, both to help you prepare for the market day ahead. You're also going to be able to take advantage of the profitable trade alerts, which not only allow you the opportunity to make money in the market, but they also give you the opportunity to learn while you earn, because we're not just handing out these alerts. We're in the chat room, we're on the member videos explaining the why and the how of every single trade that we take. So if your goal is just to make money in the market and you want to get alerts, perfect. If your goal is to also make money in the market, but at the same time learn how to become an independent trader on your own, this is a great opportunity for you as well. There's something for everyone. It's a great opportunity, and we'd love to have you. All right, so let's get into these charts here. First, I'm going to start with Apache Corp and chart symbol APA. And what I want to mention here is we've got a uptrend line that was violated. We've got a few touches down here, and I'm talking about this uptrend line right here. Okay, so we've got a few touches here, here, and then if you go up here, we've got several touches. There's like 5 touches right here, 6, 7 touches, and then we finally broke through it right here. All right, so keep in mind, overall trend is pretty bullish here on APA, so short-term bearishness on a retest of about 51.50. There's some support here, so I suspect that APA is going to be coming down here and at least testing that 51.40 level. We've gotten several bounces from this level here, several bounces here, and it was the support. It was the resistance over here. So that former resistance is now going to be support, 51.40 or so. And that's also lining up with the other uptrend line that we have here from these lows right here. So a low here, touch here, several touches here, and then that lines up perfectly with that support there. So I suspect that we are going to head down to that 51.40 and that we should get at least a short-term bounce from that level. Next, I want to cover BMY, and BMY looking for a break over this 73 area or a close over that 73 area. We've got what looks to be like a continuation pattern. We've got a box here, high is a 73, low of the box is about 70. So a break of either of these is going to send this stock higher or lower. I suspect that it's going to be to the upside, but of course wait for that signal here. So a close over 73 is going to send BMY higher. Next, I want to cover Bank of America. Bank of America, we've got a channel right here, and we bounced off of this trend line several times, as you can see, here, 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 and then we gapped down and hammered right off of it right here. So I suspect that we're going to get a bounce off of this level right here and at least fill that gap up there. So be ready for that hammer. Hammer needs to be confirmed by a green candle on Monday. So be on the lookout for that, for any green, a break over the high of Friday's session, which is 1450. So a break over that high. We're going to come up there and we're going to fill that gap right around 15. Next, I want to look at GM. GM is breaking below support. We broke below support, but we're coming back down to another support, which is right around 29.30 or so. So 29.30 is going to be that support. A break below that support, and we're going to head lower right there. So should get at least a temporary bounce from this level, but I suspect that GM is going to be heading lower. You can also draw a downtrend line right here. So you got to keep that in mind for the future as well. Next, I want to cover Ford. Since we're on the car stocks, we are at a support right here, and we just barely broke below it. I didn't quite take that signal myself. It's too close to call. I wanted a more significant close below that 1305. 1304 was too close for me to call, and we've got a buying tails at the bottom. So not exactly a good-looking stock that I would buy for a bounce, but not really wanting to short it quite yet. So I'm going to look for another close below that 1304, and if that happens, we're going to come down here and we're going to tag that 1250 mark down there. Next, I want to cover Best Buy. So Best Buy, we're up here at this downtrend line. We've got a touch here, few touches here, few touches here, 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 here. We're right at it. So suspect that the trend will continue. So the trend has been down for Best Buy since September of last year. The trend is your friend. All right, so next we're going to be covering GLW. GLW, we're at a key resistance right here. As you can see, it gets thick in this range. And what I mean by thick is we've got a lot of sideways trading in this range. So notice the difference between these candles right here, okay, and these candles right here. So these candles right here just kind of went straight down. So when the stock comes up to these levels, there's not a lot of resistance when it comes back up to it because it didn't trade sideways at all. Okay, so there's not really much resistance. So we're up here at this resistance. There's a lot of sideways trading over here, and then if you scroll into the more recent action, you can see that we've gotten rejected at this level several times, about 10 times in the last 2 months here. So we're right at this level right here. So this is a kind of a make or break. If we stall a little bit, I suspect that we're going to be seeing some consolidation. Look for a close over 2120 in order for that to be a signal to head this one higher. Next, I want to cover EOG. EOG is right here in this channel. This is an up channel, and we've gotten a bounce from here, 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 and we're right at it right now. So we're looking for a potential bounce below that level, or I'm sorry, from this level, or a break. So kind of at a make or break level for EOG, and this is definitely a trend line that you want to be aware of. Next, I want to cover Freeport right here, FCX, trading in a box. The high of the box is 12, low of the box 10.30. A break of either of those price levels is going to send this stock for a pretty nice move. So just be aware of that. If we break below 10.30, we're going to hit 8.80. If we break above $12, we're going to come up here and we're going to tag that $14 level from this resistance right there. So trading in a box, as you can see here, lots of touches on both the top and the bottom side, and as you can see, the Bollinger Bands getting really tight here as well. So this is a box breakout, really good setup. So either direction should get a nice break, so look for that. All right, guys, thank you for stopping by. Appreciate it as always. Again, if you're not already a member, visit the homepage, www.thetradinganalyst.com. Enter in your name and your email address, and that's all you're going to need to do to get instant access, 100% free, 7-day trial to all of the member benefits that we mentioned before. It's a great opportunity, and we'll see you over there.